Ladies and gentlemen, this is your guy again, Awal Mas. Today I'm here to give you an update of the market and the pairs that I'm considering. First of all, I have a video that I did about Australian franc CFA and how it played out and how I exited going out from the trade. And also I'm going to look into USDJPY and what I'm considering. So guys, without taking your time, let's dive into it. But before then, you can see what's in my tree on my screen. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. So guys, if you are really struggling in trading, don't ever give up. Keep on going. Believe that it's all about timing. When the time comes, everything will go. So guys, let's dive into the chart right now. So guys, as I'm saying that I'm going to look into the Australian franc CFA and what happened. Previously I made a video that the market is going to go higher. For some reason I hesitated, I adapted my strategy, and then I left, and after leaving it, then the market keep on moving high and high. So guys, so that means I was correct, but I doubted myself, doubted my strategy. So guys, we can see, first of all, we have to always consider the MLS market structure, the level, which is the support and resistance, and also the signal. So guys, so as we can see, what is the market doing? The market is making series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So when I spotted this candle here, guys, when I spotted this candle, this bullish candle right now here, that is when I made the video, and it was on 21st of April when I made the video. When I talk about it, that I'm going to take it, and for some reason, when there was a rejection, because I was having a little bit of risk, and then my entry was good, but there was a pullback. There was a pullback. If my stop loss would have been below this bullish engulfing candle, then I wouldn't have been taken out. So this teach me a lesson that next time you have to actually adjust your risk and make sure that you are not risking too much. So the market's making higher highs and higher lows. So you can see that the impulse move, and the correction, impulse move, correction, and now we are heading to make a new impulse move, which is the impulse move to complete the higher highs and higher lows. So now we can see the market is making higher highs and higher lows, and then from that level we are in higher lows, and the market making new higher highs, as you can see there. So now let me go into the 4-hour time frame so that you can see what I'm talking about, the rejection. So we can see here there was a formation of a pin bar, and that is where I was, that was where the market took me out, and from when the market took me out, I hesitated to re-enter again, because I was like, no, this will not actually work, so I doubted it. And then guess what happened? The market keep on moving from 1st of April. I spotted on the 1st of April, the market keep moving higher highs and higher lows, keep moving higher till today, which is 28th of April. So guys, this is one of the, imagine if you would have been holding this kind of trade, how will your profit be? So that is it in a simple nutshell, that these are the mistakes that most people make, even though I was consistent. But this has sneaked into me. It has sneaked into my emotion and make me believe that it doesn't work. So now I'm sticking to my strategy no matter what happens. And now let's move into the USJPY, USJPY, and why I'm actually also considering taking. I've already taken this trade. So guys, so let's see, the market is making series of higher highs. We can see, let's bring our marker. So we see the market started from here, making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then make the last higher highs, and now we came here to make another higher lows. So now the next correction will be the new, it's gonna be the new higher highs. So it's gonna be the new higher highs. It's gonna be the new higher high. So guys, this is what I'm actually anticipating. So first we have identified the market structure, in daily time frame, which is making higher highs and higher lows. And secondly, we spotted that the market came to this what we call it, the previous support, came to this resistant area, to try to drop down, but they couldn't because there was a rejection. From this area. We can see that they tried 3 times. The first time they tried to break below this support area, they were rejected again, and then try again, they were rejected. Second time, and they try again, they were rejected. And then now we see this pin bar on the daily time frame. And now after seeing this, then we see that there's a formation of bullish candle here right now that you can see is an inside bar. So after seeing this, we can see that the market make a pullback. We can see that here right now, stick with me. Here right now, we can see that this bullish candle, daily candle here, we can see that here has an evening star. If you can see, first we have a bearish candle, and then we have a doji, and then we have a new bullish engulfing candle, which is making invalidating this area and also contradicting our contra trend line. But as you know, no matter how good your strategy is, you have to understand that no one knows the market than the market itself. You have to understand that this game is a game of probability, and you just have to make sure you do your analysis and you leave the rest to the market. You leave the rest to God. So that is what you have to think about. So we can see that on 4-hour time frame, we can see that we have already broken the contra trend line here, and the market came above the resistance level in this area, went above them and then retested. So now that is the reason why I decided to do a retested, and now we have a bullish engulfing candle here in the 4-hour time frame that you can see here, and that is the reason why I'm taking it. So the probability, there's a bigger chance that this market will continue higher, because when I go into the weekly time frame, I can also see that there was, after this red candle, there was a bullish weekly candle, inside bar candle, and for that reason I see that the market is likely to continue making a new high. So now we can see the market have a pause here, higher highs, higher lows, and this is higher highs, higher lows, and now we are heading to a new highs. So that is what I'm actually looking at. So guys, without wasting your time, this is what I'm looking at. So all is how you have to understand the market is no conditions ever permanent. You have to find a strategy, find a plan to know why you are taking the trade and why it makes sense to you, and then execute it when it appears. Don't hesitate when you believe in your strategy, because the truth of the matter is, to have consistency, you have to do the same. I mean, taking those quality trades, and over time it's going to compound and it's going to make you profitable. So guys, that is it. I am going to keep you updated, and then I hope this helped. Please subscribe and like and comment if there's something you want to talk about. There's some peer that you want me to look into. So God bless you, and let's keep on moving forward.